Understand that they're gonna doubt you. Some of them are gonna leave you. But at the end of the day, I need you to take the bricks that they throw at you, and I need you to build your own kingdom.
They gon' wanna take you down when they try, take them out. If you built it from the ground, build it higher than the doubt. Go and put me on the ticket, this gon' turn into a bout. I got one thing on my mind, climbing mountains all the time. No, you don't really know me, you get close and feel the grind. I don't do this for the cash, I will never walk the line. I keep something in the stash, cause it's kinda hard to find. People eating all that trash, pledge allegiance to the swine. Wait, tell me how you wake up in the morning with your head low. This is for the ones on the edge with the bread low. Low and trying to get back, show you how you get back. Push it to the limit, ain't no glory for the timid. Yeah, you wanna be a king, but you gotta do the work. They gon' put you in the sky, they gon' run you in the dirt. Fair weather, what you doing when the weather get worse? Till they ready my hearse, I'ma show 'em my worth. This for when you in the hole and they wanna count you out. Tell me, can you rain when you're standing in the drought? All my people in the back, let me see what you about. When it counts, see the moment, gotta hold it, gotta pounce. Never doubt, every day where I'm at, lifting boulders out the way. No complaints, I got extra in the tank. They can't hold me, all the obstacles before me. Light work, I had trouble seeing gold, now I swear my sight work. Tunnel vision, nothing missing but attention. Need no comment, need no mention, manifesting with attention. My perspective is a weapon, gotta keep the mind sharp. Struggle strengthen my heart, used to dangle us from trees. Feel the pain in my bark, listen. This is for the 9 to 5 grind. Overnight shelf stocker, getting pennies for your time. If I'm going too hard, I will gladly pay the fine. Limitations waiting only in the mind.